Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to record your screen for the first time with OBS Studio. First, download and install OBS Studio from the official website. Once installed, open the program. On the main screen, look at the Scenes panel in the bottom left. By default, there's one scene already created. If not, click the plus button to add one. Next, move to the Sources panel right next to it. Click the plus button and select Display Capture. Name it whatever you like. Click OK. A new window will pop up, allowing you to select which screen to capture if you have multiple monitors. Choose the screen, click OK, and your desktop will appear in the preview window. Now, check the audio mixer section. OBS automatically captures desktop audio and microphone input. Adjust the volume sliders as needed or mute sources you don't want to record. Before recording, click Settings in the bottom right corner. Go to the Output tab, and under Recording Path, choose the folder where your recordings will be saved. In the same tab, make sure the recording format is set to MP4 or MKV for better compatibility. Click Apply and then OK. Once everything is ready, click Start Recording on the main screen. When you're done, click Stop Recording. Your file will be saved in the folder you set earlier. That's it. You've just recorded your screen for the first time with OBS Studio.